learners. NIOS welcomes you to Painting Subject Video Series. This is Lesson 3, Paintings from Ajanta Post Ajanta Period, Part 1. There will be a process of this lesson. First, we will understand the background of the Gupta dynasty. Second, we would understand the background about Ajanta and Bagh caves. Then we will do new words and meanings from the lesson. Then we will focus on the 3 Ajanta cave paintings. After that, we will focus on the single Bagh cave painting. Then we will have the summary of this lesson. Next, we will have questions and answers from the lesson. Now, we will learn some background about the Gupta dynasty. The Gupta kingdom prospered and flourished at the time when there was no country called India. The first king who founded the Gupta dynasty was called Sri Gupta. Next to the Gupta dynasty was another dynasty called the Vakatakas. The Gupta dynasty prospered from 320 AD to 600 AD. The king Chandragupta I married Princess Kumara Devi from the Lichavi tribe, which is now modern day near Bihar, modern day Bihar. After marriage, the king ascended the throne approximately in 320 AD. The capital of the Gupta dynasty was called Pataliputra. The Gupta period is known as a golden period because of many developments in science, art, and literature. Now, we will learn some background about the Ajanta and Bagh caves, which were in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. The Ajanta and Bagh caves were located in Maharashtra, 60 miles from a place called Aurangabad, near the Vaghora river, which is a tributary of Tapti. The name of the cave is taken from a village called Ajanta, which is nearby the caves. We have a total of 30 caves. Some are unfinished, others are for rest, which are known as viharas. And chaityas, which are for prayers of the faithful and followers. These caves were discovered in 1819 by army officers from the Madras regiment inside the caves. The art all depict scenes from Lord Buddha's lives. Lord Buddha left his royal responsibilities and his kingly life, and these stories are about scenes from his life. Along with Ajanta, other Buddhist art is also found at Bagh caves in Madhya Pradesh. Now, we will learn some new words from the third lesson. The first word is transformation. Second word, bodhisattva, means a person who leaves societal life, family life, to be on a path or journey to become like Buddha, an enlightened and awakened person. Aptly is to match. Ascend is when the king gives his throne to the prince who has come of age. Winding means meandering. Tributary means one of the many channels of the main river. Chaitya is a cave for prayer. People who have left societal life for a life of prayer and meditation use these caves. Vihara, which is the living or the cave for rest. Triumph is to win or to succeed. Symbols are various shapes, designs, could be animals, could be a hand shape which has a symbolic meaning. Gallery, for example, you see a museum and the exhibits are kept in a gallery. Jatakas were events and scenes from the lives of Lord Buddha. Specimen, for example, the Buddhist illustrated manuscripts had a lot of paintings and the same were then replicated on some other surface, and these were basically examples or specimens. Companion, for example, our pet is a companion, a friend. Tempera which is dry fresco technique, where the coating is dried first. The coating is basically the plaster which we actually use in modern medicine, and that is what is used in the fresco technique. Kundal is basically the earring. Expressions are the various feelings which are depicted by facial features. Subsequently is what happens after something happens. Musical instruments like keyboard, violin, drums, guitar, etc. Conch, mollusks which are found in water bodies. Rhizomes, stalks, the stem of the plant. Reveal, enshrine, mudra, which are hand gestures which are used during yoga, meditation and dance. Mahayana and Hinayana. Let us understand that after the death of Lord Buddha, the believers were divided into two sects. The Mahayana believed that Lord Buddha was a god, and they prayed to his idols and worship bodhisattvas. Bodhisattvas were enlightened beings, and Mahayanas also prayed to them. The Mahayana followers were more in Korea, China, Japan and Tibet, where idol worship and worship of Buddha as a god is followed. The other group, which is known as the Hinayana, did not believe in idol worship. They believed that Buddha was the same as human. They did not believe in idols and bodhisattvas, do not worship them. Hinayana followers more in India and Sri Lanka, and the basic belief that Buddha was also human. We now will understand about Lord Buddha. Lord Buddha was born in Lumbini, which is in Nepal. The real name of Lord Buddha is Siddhartha Gautam. And after his enlightenment, the locals gave him the name of Buddha. He lived during 500 to 400 BC in ancient India. Lord Buddha was a religious and a spiritual teacher. The aim for Lord Buddha was to achieve nirvana, which was the ending of all sorrow and suffering. Which was called attainment of nirvana. I hope you enjoyed watching part 1 of the lesson and will watch all the following videos of this lesson. If you have any queries, you can email us at signlanguage@nios.ac.in. For more information, you may visit our website www.nios.ac.in. Thank you.